Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Sharad Meghansi.
In which class do you read?
I 9th B.
At which place do you live?
Uttam Nagar in Hastal.
Say something about yourself.
Myself, my name is Sharad Meghansi. My hobby is playing cricket. I doesn't like studying. My mother name is Santosh. My father name is Anil.
What do you want to be in future?
I want to be in future is businessman.
Businessman. Good. What is your name?
My name is Naveen Yadav.
Okay, sir. In which class you read?
8D.
At which place you live?
Sibyar Vikash Nagar.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is army. मतलब क्रिकेट प्ले ऐसे भी
What do you want to be in future?
आर्मी में आर्मी
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
Prenaja.
In which class you read?
8th.
In which school you read?
Other secondary school.
At which place you live?
Deepak Vyani Delhi.
What is your hobby?
Listening music.
What do you want to be in future?
IITN.
What thing you like most?
Listening music.
Doing क्या कहते हैं? Any physical task.
Cricket.
Any physical task. Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Sunny Verma.
In which class you read?
8D.
What is your father's name?
Sagar Verma.
What is your father's profession? Shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper.
Okay. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What is your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Neeraj.
Which class you read in?
10th A.
Which school are you studying?
Government Senior Secondary School.
Oh, nice. What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket and
What is your aim in future? What is your aim in future?
अभी तो नहीं जानता.
Which state are you live in? Belong to?
उत्तम नगर.
Which state are you belong to?
दिल्ली.
Good afternoon. What is your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Aman. Good evening. Hi, little boy. Good evening. Who are you? What's your name?
My name is Aman.
Where you live?
Uttam Nagar.
Where? Uttam Nagar?
Raghbir Singh.
Raghbir Singh. So, you like play games?
Yes.
Which game?
Cricket.
Cricket. So, do you know Virat Kohli?
Yes.
Who are Virat Kohli?
Cricketer.
So, you know he's very innocent and learning boy. Do many hard work to improve your cricket. So you are interested to like join a cricket
No.
in future?
No.
क्यों? Why?
No. उतना नहीं आता.
Oh, like just a hobby.
Yes.
So where you study?
Study 10th D.
10th D. Listen carefully. I speak like where you study, not your class. In which school you study?
सर्वोदय बाल विद्यालय.
Sarvodaya Bal Vidyalaya. Which section?
D.
So in 11th class next year,
Yes.
would you choose which stream?
Arts.
Arts. Why?
Arts.
You know the aims about the arts? Okay. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Akash Gupta.
Aman.
Akash Gupta.
Akash Gupta. So, Akash Gupta, what's your likes, hobbies?
My hobby is to play cricket or read books.
Books. So, which your favorite books?
My favorite book is The Attack of 2611.
I don't know these books, but if your favorite books, so it's very interesting books. In which class you study?
I study in 8th standard
In which class school?
in other secondary school.
Which subject is your favorite?
My favorite subject is art, math and science.
Art, math, and science. You 8th class.
Yes.
So, in 9th class, your pre-board is held. So, in which subject you very interested?
I interested in science.
Science. So, in 11th class next year, so choose a science. Why?
Because I want to be an IITian in future.
IITian in future. So, you are very happy to know I am also to do my 12th class in last year about science class. Thank you.